Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome to Tailor-Made Technology by Kris. I wouldn't have normally shot this for you guys, but I guess it's kind of a thing. Maybe some of you would enjoy it. I just got the brand new iPhone, the 13 Pro. Now, I have had iPhones since the iPhone 2, I think. I've got Macs. I like Apple. I do not usually run right out and get the latest iPhone. The one I am currently carrying, this one's predecessor, is the XR, and my screen has totally lost its mind, driving me crazy. And sorry for always fixing my ponytail. If anybody has any suggestions on how to get my ponytail to not go wiggy wiggy on me, let me know down below, and then I can stop doing that. Anywho, sorry. But this came out, and between the 12 and the 13, this has the, I think the way they suck a lot of us in is they keep improving the camera. And really, they shouldn't call them phones, they should call them cameras, because I use it way more for pictures and videos than I do for communicating. However, I got the gold. It just looked pretty. Normally I stick to like the black, the graphite, the silver, but the gold looks so pretty. So let's do this. All right. Peel it open here. Now, I know they're not giving us stuff with the iPhones anymore. No more, what are those things called? Headphones? Because, oh, there's one on the bottom. This did make a neat sound. Oh, top one sounded better than the bottom one. Oh, there she is. Oh, that's really pretty. Anyway, no more headsets. No more cubes. They do give you a charging cable. And in my household, I will put my name on this. I will say, if you are not mom, don't use it, and certainly don't take it, because they disappear. Yeah, so that's, what is this? Oh, it's the tool so you can pop out and put your SIM card in, because the 13, I guess, does satellite. If you don't have, I was going to do my ponytail again, as well as, 5G and whatever. And so they were supposed to have also sent me a new SIM card. Anywho. Oh, pretty. Okay. Thanks for joining me for this weird and different video. If you liked it, please do give me a thumbs up. If you're an iPhone fan, put a duck in the comment section below. And have a great day.